If your sink strainer flange is all corroded and causing leaks, it's time to swap that old piece out before things get messier. Okay, so first up, make sure you've got everything you need. A new strainer flange, plumber's putty, a wrench, and some good old-fashioned elbow grease. Start by turning off the water under the sink, because you don't want water spraying all over your cabinets or floor. Next, loosen the nut holding the strainer in place from underneath the sink. Sometimes it's super tight, so don't be shy with the wrench. Once that's off, scrape away all the old plumber's putty or gunk around the flange on the sink side. Then, roll some fresh plumber's putty into a rope and stick it under the new flange so it seals tight when you press it down. Push the new strainer flange firmly into place from above, then tighten the nut back on underneath, making sure it's snug but not crushing anything. After that, reconnect any pipes you had to take off. Finally, turn the water back on and check for leaks. If you see any drips, just tighten things up a bit more or add a little extra putty next time. One of the biggest problems people hit with a corroded sink strainer flange causing leaks is not shutting off the water properly before starting, which can lead to a mini flood. Always double check your valves. Another common issue is not removing all the old plumber's putty or grime before putting on the new flange. This causes poor sealing, so clean the area thoroughly. Lastly, over-tightening the lock nut can crack the sink or damage the flange, so make sure to tighten it just enough to hold securely without going nuts. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid way to find real work without all the hassle of searching around yourself.